It's getting bigger. Yeah, let's make a tower. Okay, Fishy can help. Perfect. Let's make the biggest castle. Mommy, the storm is growing stronger. Let's get our toys! Hurry, before the waves get out! Race into the house!
Come here, my darlings, quickly now. You two are completely soaked.
This is the best soup.
There you go, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
Now for your turn.
Yay! Wow, so delicious! Grandma, please tell us a story.
There, my dear. The storm will pass. Sleep soundly, my child.
Look, a rainbow!
It's
I'm so hungry. Come on, you two.
It's the best, Mommy.
Can we have more strawberries? Again! It's so fun!
Yeah, look at this. Be careful, dears.
Okay, Mommy, we will!
the rice is almost ready.